In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to follow someone on TradingView. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, following the right individuals on TradingView can greatly enhance your experience by providing you with valuable insights and fresh ideas. It's a straightforward process, and I'll guide you through it step by step so that you can easily integrate this into your trading routine. First things first, you'll need to log in to your TradingView account. Once you're logged in, draw your attention to the top of the platform where you'll see the search bar. This is your starting point for finding and following others. You'll want to type in the username of the person you're interested in following. Now, this is crucial. Make sure to select people from the search results or category dropdown. This narrows down your search to user profiles, making it easier to locate the right individual. Once you see their profile in the search results, simply click on it to open their page. Right there on their profile page, you'll find the follow button. Click it and you'll start receiving updates from this user. Now let's explore another way to follow someone, this time directly from their ideas or comments. Head over to the ideas or comments section. This is where users share their trading insights, which can be a great way to discover new people to follow. As you scroll through the content, pay attention to the user contributing valuable insights that you find interesting. On the web platform, simply hover your mouse over their username. If you're using a mobile app, just tap on their username, and a profile preview will pop up. In this preview, you'll find a follow button. Just click on it and you're all set. So what changes once you've followed someone? Their new ideas, posts, and updates will automatically appear in your personalized feed on TradingView. This keeps you up to date with their trading activities and insights without having to search for them manually. To see a full list of the users you're following, navigate to your profile page. There you can find the Following tab, which conveniently displays everyone you've chosen to follow. And there you have it, a simple process to expand your trading network and enrich your TradingView experience. By following users, you not only gain access to potential new strategies and perspectives, but also stay connected with a community of like-minded individuals. Happy trading!